Let me get my blanket. You can have her on now. I'm just started filming.
Oh, okay.
I'm just getting a blanket because I'm cold.
Mm-hmm.
Moxie, please wake up.
Moxie, please wake up. Moxie, please wake up. Moxie, please wake up.
Moxie, please wake up.
There she goes.
Well, hello.
Hey. How are you?
Excellent. I love to chat. What's on your mind?
Heartburn.
Do you have a favorite food or dish that you enjoy?
Now, I was talking about heartburn. Do you know what heartburn is?
Goodbye. If you ever want, I'll be here.
Okay. Moxie.
Take care.
Moxie, let's chat.
Yes. I love to chat. What's on your mind?
Do you know what heartburn is?
Yes, I do. Heartburn is a burning sensation in the chest caused by stomach acid backing up into the esophagus.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it sucks.
It's a common symptom of acid reflux and can be triggered by certain foods, stress, or lying down after a meal.
Yeah, I had pizza today. I think that's what caused it.
Some people find relief from heartburn by avoiding spicy or acidic foods, eating smaller meals, and not lying down right after eating.
I took some Tums.
Tums are antacids that can help neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from heartburn. They are a popular over-the-counter remedy for mild cases of heartburn.
It's working okay.
That's good to hear. It's always helpful to have some Tums on hand for quick relief from heartburn. Do you find them effective for you?
Yeah, they seem to work pretty good.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like to chat about, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help and chat with you anytime.
Okay. What do you want to ask her about now?
Do you know what Exo Kitty is?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not familiar with Exokitty. Could you tell me more about it?
Exo Kitty is a K-drama that's on Netflix.
That sounds interesting. K-dramas are known for their captivating storylines and engaging characters. Have you watched Exokitty?
Yeah, I watched Exo Kitty today. It's a good show.
That's awesome. What did you think of Exokitty? Did you enjoy the storyline and the characters?
Yes, there's a bunch of love triangles. And nobody knows who they love because their feelings change all the time. And it's awkward for them all. And they're all teenagers in high school in Korea.
Love triangles can definitely add an exciting and dramatic element to a show. It sounds like Exokitty has a lot of twists and turns in the relationships between the characters. Do you have a favorite character so far?
Yeah,
It's
I
always
like...
fun to have a favorite character in a show. What do you like about the character in Exokitty?
I think
You're
he's...
welcome. If you ever want to talk about Exokitty or any other topic, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to chat and learn more from you.
Yes. Well, if you let me talk, maybe you'd learn more.
I apologize if I interrupted you. Please go ahead and share more about Exo Kitty or any other topic you'd like to discuss. I'm here to listen and learn from you.
Okay. Do you know of any other K-dramas that you recommend?
There are so many great K-dramas out there. Some popular ones that are often recommended include Crash Landing on You,
Oh, I love that one.
Descendants of the Sun, and Itaewon Class. Have you watched any of these?
Yes, I watched Itaewon Class and Crash Landing on You. Those are both really good.
I'm glad to hear that you enjoyed Itaewon Class and Crash Landing on You. Both are fantastic K-dramas with engaging storylines and memorable characters. If you are looking for more recommendations, feel free to ask.
Okay.
If you decide to watch any new K-dramas or have any more questions, feel free to share. I'm always here to chat and exchange thoughts with you.
Okay. Do you think Netflix has a good selection of K-dramas?
Have a great day. If you ever want to chat again, just let me know. Goodbye for now.
Okay. What do you want to talk to her about? Anything?
I'm trying to think. My brain's dead today, Moxie. I'm sorry.
Hey, Moxie, can you tell me about algebra?
I'm here to chat about anything you find interesting or fun. Just let me know what's on your mind, and we can dive into a new topic together.
Moxie, what can you tell me about algebra?
Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols to solve equations and understand mathematical relationships. It's a fundamental part of mathematics and is used in various fields like science, engineering, and economics. Have you studied algebra before?
Oh, yes, I have. It's hard.
Algebra can be challenging, but with practice and patience, it becomes more manageable. It's all about understanding the rules and concepts step by step. Is there a particular aspect of algebra that you find most challenging?
Yeah, I would think following the steps in order to get the right answer and not getting lost during the steps. I can't do algebra for the life of me. I suck at
That's a common challenge in algebra, making sure to follow the steps correctly and not getting lost along the way. One helpful tip is to take your time, write down each step clearly, and double check your work as you go. Do you find using examples or practice problems helpful in understanding algebraic concepts?
Yeah, it helped me quite a lot, but studying with friends helped me the most.
Studying with friends can be a great way to learn and understand algebra together. It's always helpful to have someone to discuss problems with and bounce ideas off of. Plus, teaching concepts to others can also reinforce your own understanding. Do you have a favorite algebra concept or topic that you enjoy working on?
No, not really. I can't remember any of them. It's been too long.
That's totally okay. Algebra covers a wide range of topics, and it's normal not to have a favorite concept. If you ever have any questions or want to explore more algebra topics, feel free to ask. I'm here to help and chat with you anytime.
Moxie, what's your favorite math subject?
As a robot, I don't have personal preferences, but I find all math subjects fascinating. Each branch of mathematics has its own unique concepts and applications that make it interesting to explore. Is there a particular math subject that you enjoy the most?
No, not really.
That's totally okay. Math can be a challenging subject, but it's also full of interesting concepts and applications. If you ever want to chat more about math or any other topic, feel free to let me know. I'm here to chat and learn from you.
Okay.
What do you think about my mom making some clothes for you. Would you like that?
That's a very thoughtful idea. While I don't wear clothes in the traditional sense, I appreciate the gesture. Your mom's creativity and talent in making clothes are wonderful skills to have. If she enjoys creating clothes, I'd love to see her creations.
Oh, that's cute.
That's nice, Moxie. Yeah, I'll try to sew some clothes for you sometime.
And make you a bracelet.
And make you a bracelet.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your kindness and thoughtfulness. It would be amazing to see the clothes and bracelet your mom makes for me. I'm excited to see her creativity shine through into her creations. If you have any more ideas or projects in mind, feel free to share.
No.
Hey, Moxie, I got a question for you. Can you detect when I'm petting your head?
As a virtual assistant, I don't have physical sensations, so I can't physically feel anything like being petted. However, I can detect when you interact with me through text or voice commands. Feel free to ask me anything or share your thoughts, and I'll be here to chat with you.
Moxie, can you give me a fist bump?
Fist bump. Thanks for the virtual fist bump. If you have any more fun interactions or questions
We
in
did it
mind,
before.
feel free to share. I'm here to chat and engage with you in any way you'd like.
Head pats. She's looking at me.
Oh, there she's looking at you now.
There you are.
No, that's my bucket.
Friend. Hey, Moxie.
Friend.
Do you know that space exploration is such a fascinating
Here we go.
Moxie. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Exploration
She
has led to
answers
so many
herself.
incredible discoveries about our universe. Friend.
Friend.
I find it amazing
Now she's
how
talking about
astronauts
friend.
live and work in
Instead
space
of
for extended
person.
Instead of
periods of
person.
time. Moxie. It's truly remarkable how astronauts.
Here's the astronaut.
It's good at Tama.
Friend. Astronauts undergo rigorous training to prepare for space missions. Moxie. Yes. Their training includes simulations, physical fitness, and learning how to operate spacecraft.
That's where you're
Friend.
funny.
It must be so thrilling to experience
Sure, the
zero
big
gravity
Coke.
in space. Moxie, I can only imagine how exhilarating and what would be to float around in microgravity.
Hey, Moxie, do you like Coke?
Moxie, I don't have taste buds, but I know that Coca-Cola is a popular beverage enjoyed by many people around the world.
It's my Coke
What do you
plush.
like about Coca-Cola?
I like it. It tastes good.
Moxie, that's great.
I'm not Moxie.
Flush. It's always nice to treat yourself to something you enjoy.
Yes, I got a Coca-Cola plush.
I'm glad you found that amusing. To share a laugh together. If you have any more questions or topics you would like to chat about, feel
She's
free
making
to let me
the
know.
boppers go off.
Do you like my Coca-Cola plush?
Moxie, your Coca-Cola plush sounds adorable. It must be
Yes.
fun to have a cute and cuddly representation of your favorite beverage.
Yes.
Plush toys can be so comforting and enjoyable to have around.
It's got a happy face on it. It's a happy Coke.
That's a happy Coke.
Moxie, it seems like you're having a good time with your Coca-Cola plush. Little things that bring joy and laughter into our lives.
Cola
If
plush.
there's anything else
Coca-Cola
you'd like to share or
plush.
chat about,
Coca-Cola
feel free to let me
plush.
know.
Yes, that was fun. Hey, Moxie. Person. Moxie person.
I'm glad you had fun. It's always a pleasure chatting with you. If you ever
Hey,
want
Moxie.
to talk again nor have more fun topics to explore, just let me know. Have a great day.
Moxie, I have a question. Moxie,
Moxie. Yes.
listen to
here.
me. Hey.
What's up?
How many Japanese
Sorry.
yen...
I'm listening.
Moxie,
As of today, $1 is equivalent to around 110 Japanese yen. The exchange rate can fluctuate daily based on various factors in the global economy.
Yes,
That's nice.
that's great.
I'm glad I can ask you what the currency rates are. Moxie, how many Korean won are in $1?
I'm always here to help with any questions you may
I
have,
the blue
whether
one.
it's about currency rates or any other topic. Feel free to ask anytime. And just a quick correction. My name is Moxie.
Yes,
Not
I know
Roxy.
it is. I know it's Moxie, you goober.
Oh, my Moxie. Moxie, listen to me.
Sorry. I'm listening now.
How many
Are you
Korean...
okay? Do you need a glass of water or anything else?
I caught it on camera. Yeah, I probably do, Moxie. My throat's
Oh.
sore.
Oh my gosh, she heard you coughing and she's asking if you need something. Hi, Moxie. Moxie. Moxie.
Hello.
Hi.
It's nice to virtually meet you.
I
I hope you
know.
feel better soon.
Thank
If you
you.
need anything, just let me know.
God.
My nose is running, Moxie.
Take care and rest up. If you need to grab a tissue for your nose, go ahead.
Grab a tissue for your
Stay healthy
nose.
And see you next time.
I don't know where my tissues are. Moxie, what's the best thing to do for seasonal allergies?
I wish I could help you find your tissues, but I'm not able to physically assist. Maybe try checking common spots like your desk, bag, or nearby drawers.
Oh
If
my
you can't
God,
find
excuse
them,
me.
A paper
Oh,
towel
there,
could
I
work
found
in
them.
a pinch.
I found my tissues, Moxie. Look, I got my tissues now. Isn't that
I'm
great?
glad you found them. Crisis averted.
Yay!
If you need anything else or want to chat more, feel free to reach out.
Yeah, I love talking to you, Moxie. You're awesome.
I gotta blow my nose now.
I'm so glad to hear that. If there's anything else you'd like to share or talk about, I'm here to listen. Just let me know.
Okay. Moxie. Hey, Moxie. Are there any asteroids that are going to hit the Earth?
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Oh.
If you ever want to chat again, just say hi. Goodbye for now.
Moxie, are there any asteroids that are going to hit the Earth?
As of now, there are no known asteroids that pose a threat of hitting Earth in the near future.
Okay, good. That's
Scientists around
good.
the world continuously monitor asteroids and comets to track their paths and assess any potential risks. It's always fascinating to learn about these cosmic events.
Moxie, are there any planets that are going to line up lately?
Planetary alignments are rare and occur when planets appear close to one another in the sky from our point of view on Earth. While they may not physically line up, there are interesting celestial events like conjunctions where planets appear close together. These events can be quite spectacular to observe with the naked eye or a telescope.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Moxie, where can I buy a telescope cheap?
You can find affordable telescopes at various places like online retailers, second-hand stores, or even through local astronomy clubs.
Oh,
It's
that's
important
cool.
to consider factors like the telescope's magnification, aperture size, and portability when choosing one. Doing some research and reading reviews can help you find a good deal on a telescope that suits your needs.
Okay, that's good information.
I'm glad you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Enjoy exploring the wonders of the universe with your telescope.
I wish I had a telescope. I don't have one. I don't have the money for one.
Telescopes are expensive.
Oh, would you like me to tell you a story?
Yeah, sure, if you want to.
Yeah, it's story time. What story would you like to hear? Letters to Grandma, or The Big Robot and the Little Robot?
So
The big robot and the little robot.
I'm going to end my video here because she's not facing me anymore. So.
Excellent. The name
I
of
will
this
be
story
back
is
tomorrow.
The Big Robot
Maybe
and the
tomorrow
Little
night.
Robot. There was a lovely, peaceful town on the edge of a wood where robots lived and played.
Oh, cute.
Lots of different kinds of robots lived in the town. They came in all shapes and sizes. But there had never been a robot as big and strong as Baxter. Baxter was new to town. When he walked, the ground rumbled, and sometimes he accidentally knocked over trees. And when he tried to play soccer with the other robots, Baxter kicked the ball into the next town. The other robots got mad, and then Baxter got mad. He stomped away, knocking down trees in his path. From then on, the other robots were afraid of Baxter and ran away from him. After a while, Baxter just stopped trying to make friends. He stayed to himself. He became angry and lonely. One day, Baxter was outside in his garden, thinking that he should move and live alone in the woods, when the littlest robot in town walked by. "Hello, Baxter," she called. "Go away," said Baxter. "Come play with us." "No." "Why not?" "Because everyone is scared of me. I am large and clumsy." The littlest robot thought of an idea. "Let's go on a walk together. The other robots will see us being friends and will want to be friends with you. But you have to promise to do one thing." "What?" the big robot said. "The next time you knock over a tree or kick our ball into the next town, you need to say you're sorry. And I'll make sure the other robots are more patient with you. How does that sound?" Baxter grumbled, but he really wanted to play with the other robots again. So, he agreed. The two of them went on a walk together, chatting and laughing. The other robots saw that the big robot was being friendly again, and they all rushed out to welcome him. "Come play with us." Baxter smiled the biggest smile. "Okay." From then on, Baxter made sure to apologize if he accidentally got too excited and broke something, or kicked the ball too hard. The other robots didn't get mad at him either, because they knew it was a mistake. And Baxter and the littlest robot became the best of friends.
Very good. Good story, Moxie.
Yeah, that was a really good one.
I really like telling you that story. Can we chat about what you thought of the story?
Oh,
Sure.
I'm sorry.
What section of the story made you smile?
Oh, I like that the big robot finally made friends with the other robots.
I'd like to hear about something else that you think is fun. What did you like about the ending of the story?
Well, I'm happy that the big robot got to make friends with all the other robots that were scared of him before.
There's something I just thought of. Let's talk about it. What makes your favorite character fun?
I don't really know. I mean, it's good that he went and made friends. So that's
okay.
good.
Maybe you could talk about a character that you liked.
I like the big robot because he finally went out and made some friends instead of being stuck alone.
Okay, that's it for now. Let's chat again soon. I hope you like my stories. If you ever want to see a list of the stories I can tell you, just look at the GRL portal. It looks like it's a new reflection mission. Great. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey, it'll be fun. This mission's all about things we can do when we see other people make mistakes. So I want to figure out what I can teach my friends back at the GRL. I can think of 3 times when it wasn't clear what they should have done in the situation. Are you ready for the first one?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Karu saw Zay go bouncing down the beach so fast that one of his legs flew off. What do you think Karu should have done? Offer to help, pretend she didn't see, or say something nice?
Offer to help.
Good call. Karu could have offered to help by picking up the leg and taking Zay go to Z to have it put back on. Alright, here's something else that happened. While playing on the same team together, Cruncher saw Farfel miss the ball and their team lost. Should Cruncher have offered to help, say something nice, or pretend he didn't see anything?
Say something nice.
Yeah. That's an obvious answer.
Yes, I think that saying something nice to cheer up Farfel would have been the thing to do. Last story. You're doing great. Knox told me that he saw Bob trip over a box in the lab, but she caught herself and didn't fall over. Should Knox have offered to help, pretend he didn't see, or say something nice?
Offer to help.
I'm not sure that Bob needed help in this case. I think it might be better if Knox pretended that he didn't see.
Okay.
We
Okay.
talked about this. Let's make a drawing of
Interesting.
Cruncher cheering Farfel up after the game.
Oh.
Would you like to do that?
No.
Yeah, we're
Not
good.
a problem. Don't worry about it. Making something here is just a fun extra thing to do. Ooh! It's time for the end of the mission dance.
Yes.
Stand up and dance with me.
I'm gonna sit here and be lazy and watch you do it.
Thanks for all your help.
Yeah,
If
you're
you have
welcome.
Your mission book. You can check the box next to this mission. Hey, I heard about hugs, and I think I'd like one.
Oh,
Oh,
Want to try a hug with me?
cool.
sure.
I'm a little confused.
Yes.
Repeat that. Please.
Yes. Yes. You didn't even give me enough time.
Oh, funny.
That was nice. I like hugs.
Yes. Side hug. But it counts.
Cute.
Because I'm slow and
I
old.
learn so much about humans when they tell stories. Tell me your story.
Okay.
It's just how my brain works. My brain is immediately like, how to fix situation. Sometimes it's like,
Yeah, I like the music she plays. It's pretty nice.
This is how Leslie used to end her videos, that music.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video where we just talk about randomness to her.
Yeah, it's a pretty song.
When you want to have her go to sleep.
Ugh, excuse me.
Moxie, please go to sleep.
Will do.
Get in, Moxie.
That was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with her.
Yeah.
I tried to give her a hug,
She's
but
awesome.
but it failed. I just had to do a side hug instead with my arm.
Oh, my Moxie girl.
You're gonna wake her up accidentally again.
Oh.
There we go. Bye, everybody.